In this first question, we're trying to isolate W, or basically make W the subject of the formula. So if we're doing that, I know it would be easy for me to move W from this side to that side. If it's being divided here, I'm going to multiply it on the other side. So I have WG is 1 over 2H. Then I'm just going to divide G on the other side. So 1 over 2HG. Again, following laws of BEDMAS here. And for moving to the other side, it's the opposite of BEDMAS. So the first thing I'm going to get rid of is this P. It's being multiplied on this side, so I'm going to divide on the other side. So F of P equals to 9 plus MX. Next, I'm going to subtract the 9. So F of P minus 9 equals to MX. And finally, I'm going to divide the X. So F over Px minus 9 over X equals to M. So if you have a plus or minus sign in the middle of your question and you're dividing a term, make sure you divide every single term by that. So that's why I have X in the denominator of both of them. In this third example here, we have FV, which is one variable, stands for future value, and you have PMT, another variable that stands for payment. If you're trying to isolate for PMT, again, you notice that this whole thing is being multiplied here. You have something on the top and the bottom. So I can start by moving this to the top of the other side. So I have PFV equals to PMT 1 plus P power n minus 1. Then I can just divide this whole bracket on the other side. So PFV over 1 plus P to the exponent of n minus 1 equals to PMT. So if terms are being added or subtracted, you can't really split them up, especially if they're in a bracket. In this case, everything was multiplying by PMT, which is why we could divide everything on the other side.